In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the dubbing feature in ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. Your support helps us keep producing top-notch content. With ElevenLabs Dubbing feature, you can dub your videos into multiple languages to reach a broader audience. Dubbing syncs audio with video, letting viewers enjoy content without reading. AI and text-to-speech technology can create natural-sounding voices in various languages, reducing costs. Dubbing breaks language barriers, improves monetization, and ensures consistency, capturing speech emotiveness better than subtitles. More viewers lead to better engagement and help you develop new content ideas based on audience feedback. So, let's get into the process. ElevenLabs' powerful translator tool allows you to dub your YouTube video directly from its URL. There's no need to translate the script separately.
Congratulations, my friend. You have just reached a YouTube checkpoint. I promise I won't scroll.
Start by navigating to YouTube and copying the URL of the video you want to dub. You can also upload the video directly or use links from TikTok, X, Vimeo, or other formats. Next, go to the ElevenLabs Dubbing page and input your video URL or file. Select the original language of your video. Then, choose the target language you want to dub it into and click Dub It. The platform will generate the dubbed video, which you can download directly to your computer. Now, it's time to review your dubbed video. Watch it carefully to check for any errors, including synchronization issues, tone discrepancies, or audio quality problems like volume imbalance or muffled sounds.
Juist een YouTube-kanaal bereikt. Ik beloof dat ik niet te veel van je tijd in beslag neem, zodat je zo weer verder kunt scrollen, maar ik wil dat je je bewust wordt van hoe snel je ademt. Wat je kunt horen, wat je kunt ruiken, ja.
Ensure everything looks and sounds polished. Once you're satisfied with the quality, you can upload the dubbed video to YouTube. This way, your content will be accessible to a wider audience in multiple languages, thanks to the power of AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Discover a wide range of tutorials and resources on different subjects at MediaMagnetGuide.com.